Hello folks, welcome to my channel DataRo Analytics. My name is Rohit Chavan. So today we are going to start a new series that is nothing but a question asked in an interview for Power BI itself. So we are going to see a lot of industry-based questions that are given by my students. So by day, we are just going to learn about that question also. So we will start our session with this. So basically, one of our student has shared three question asked in a TCS. So I have those question and I've prepared the data for it and we're going to see it, right? Okay. So very first question asked in a TCS is like calculate last days sales. So not only in a TCS, in many organization it is very popular question, and we are going to see this question in detail how we can calculate the last days sales. Okay, so just focus here. So I will just give you first theoretical knowledge about that. Then we will move to the Power BI itself to calculate last days sales. Okay, so first we will see the theoretical portions that will be very important for interviews because you have to give the answer in that way only. Then and only your interviewer gets satisfied and you will get the full mark as well as the good impression over there. Okay, so let's see. So question is like calculate last n day sales. Okay, so n days means it will ask mostly ask for 7 days, 1 week they will consider, or sometimes 10 days or 12 days also they are asking. So don't worry about it, whatever may be the number it is, we are going to handle it. So how you can mention answer to the interviewer is like um sir or madam you can use, or whatever the name of that person you can use. So you can say like last 7 days sales is equal to, first we will use the calculate. So calculate take two parameter. First one is the expression, that is we are passing as a total revenue. So total revenue here is nothing but a measure that will calculate the total, means it is a summation of your amount or revenue. And second parameter is filter, where we are passing the date seen period. So date seen period itself take four parameters. Those are nothing but or calendar dates it will text. Then second parameter is start date. Then third parameter is like number of interval, and last one is the interval. So just we are checking. So here you can see it takes the dates parameter, your date, then start date you have to pass. And start date we are passing logic like max function we have used, or you can use the current date also, like today's date also you can use depending upon logic. Then number of interval we pass as a negative one because we have to look back, like we are looking backward, like last 7 days we are looking, right? And interval you can pass like day, month, quarter, year. So a question is asked for last 7 days, so we will take as a day. Okay, so we can see it practically. So you will have the clear idea what exactly you have to do. So basically, I will show you the model. This is basically Adventure Works sales data right now, and model is already built over there. You can see over here. Okay, so we will move forward to how we can calculate that measure. Okay, so just you come here and click on new measure. Okay, so we are going to create new measures. What you will mention last 7 days cells. Okay, so here you will use the calculate. So calculate function will take expression and filter, right? So what is our expression? Nothing but a total revenue. We already have that. Total revenue is nothing but a summation of your amount. It's one measure. Okay. Then filter, we're passing the dates in period. Okay, just select it. So dates in period, here you can see it takes the 4 parameter. Your dates means calendar table date you have to pass. Then it is taking start date. This is nothing but advantage you have. You have to pass the start date. Manually you can pass it, or you can build the logic with the current date or today's date, or you can use the max date also according to your business logic. Okay. Then number of interval, here we can write like this. If +n +7, suppose we have to look forward, right? So we will like this one 7, but we have to look backward, right? So because of that, here we are passing -7. So you have the clear idea why we are passing this -7, right? And interval is like, here we can pass the day, month, quarter, year according to our business logic. So the question is asked for calculate last 7 days, so we will pass the day. Okay. So how we are going to check that? Calendar. So in calendar dim date, you have the date. Okay. The next parameter is start date. So we will use the max function over here. Max we will use, and same calendar dim date will pass over. So whatever maybe the max date in that particular column, it is coming as a start date. Okay. And now here ours is the logic. -7 days we have to look back. And your interval is coming like a day, month, quarter, year. So what you are going to use that day, right? Just choose the second parameter. Okay, just close the bracket. That's all. Just hit the enter. Once the measure is created, we will pull the one card over here in business. Okay, and pull that measure over here. Okay, so it's coming as a 428 for last 7 days. Okay, so this is how you have to mention answer to the business, or suppose you are giving the interview, you can give the answer to the your interviewer. Okay. Sometimes client will also ask this kind of scenarios also in a client round also, so you have to be ready for it. So I hope this information will be useful for you, and if this question will be asked in our interview, you can able to answer. So our next question is like, definitely interviewer will ask for you, is like, second question, is there any alternate way to calculate last 7 days? Because you already given the answer, right? So you have used the dates in period, but sometimes to check your knowledge, interviewer will ask this question. So we are going to see this question in our next video. Okay. So just one thing I want to share with you, please, if you want content like this video, please share my channel, please like and subscribe it. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, we will meet in the next video.